Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is the NewzBeat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Emma Masibo and Lucy Bwire are engineering students in their third year at Sangalo Technical Institute, which is located in Bungoma County, Western Kenya. These two young women realized a brilliant idea as they watched maintenance workers clear grass at their school. They realized they needed a quieter and cleaner tool, so they invented a quiet and affordable lawn mower that is easy for anyone to use and runs on solar power. The lawn mower costs $180, which is a quarter of the price of traditional mowers. It carries a water bottle and has a bulb to provide light, helping workers avoid the sun and mow the grass at night. On top of the ingenious design, the mower is friendly to women, unlike the traditional mower, which are more designed for men. Traditional mowers are hard to run, and on top of that, the noise is intolerable. But you can turn on this new mower with a switch on the handle. The solar-powered mower is scalable, letting clients buy a unit that is suitable. All materials are locally available, making their design more sustainable. The solar-powered mower has a major benefit. It reduces the overall emission, saving the environment. The duo is designing a wheelchair version, giving disabled people access to the innovation. The Institute will help students commercialize the invention and take it to the next step in the industry, which is mass production. Finally, Morocco is to rejoin the African family. Our reporter MC Loy is here with more.
Morocco officially announced its intention to rejoin the African Union as a member at this year's African Union Summit in Kigali, Rwanda. The request was made by the Moroccan King Mohammed VI to the AU member presidents, and he insisted that despite leaving the Union, Morocco had not quit the African continent. In 1975, Morocco seized 2/3 of Western Sahara after colonial power Spain had withdrawn from the entire area. An independence movement called Polisario declared it the Sahrawi Arab Democratic Republic later that year, with an active government in exile in Algeria. In 1984, Morocco left the Organization of African Unity in protest after the African body welcomed Western Sahara as a member state. A violent conflict followed for years until a UN ceasefire in 1991 put the chaos to a rest. However, Morocco still considers Western Sahara as an integral part of its kingdom and wants to work within the African Union to iron out the divisions. And although Morocco said it wanted to rejoin the Union without any preconditions, the king has asked the AU to rethink its position on Western Sahara, which he considers to be part of Morocco, and has called a phantom state, since it is not even recognized by 34 African states and is neither a member of the Arab League or the United Nations. However, the AU says it will continue to support Western Sahara as a state in its efforts to hold a referendum to decide its own fate. The territory's longtime leader Mohammed Abdelaziz died in May this year at the age of 68, and on the 9th of July this year, Brahim Ghali was elected as the new Western Sahara president. However, after 32 years of Morocco's absence from the African Union, the country now needs a majority vote from the AU member states to secure its readmission. I'm MC Loy, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, MC Loy, for that report. Two districts have banned sports betting and gambling. Our reporter Jess Sentino is here with the details.
The districts of Aleptong and Kabale in northern and western Uganda respectively have decided to ban sports betting and gambling indefinitely, as gambling has taken a huge toll on the youth in these districts and promoted crime and domestic violence among the gambling addicts. In March 2015, an order was sent out by the Kabale District Security Committee to arrest a betting house staff for permitting minors to engage in gambling activities. But this unsuccessful attempt to stop minors from accessing the gambling house's slot machines prompted the district to put a ban on the machines at the end of June 2016. The decision to ban slot machines outside shops, in bars and other public spaces angered the business community, who said it was jeopardizing their businesses. Aleptong LC5 chairman Dennis Johnson Okelo also said the district decided to ban gambling after realizing many youth had abandoned their professions in favor of the vice to make a living. All kinds of gambling, including playing cards, will be banned according to the district's plan, and the district council will convene soon to approve the gambling ban. The economic contribution of sports betting has been underrated by many economists, arguing that the social risks outweigh the economic benefits, and furthermore, Furthermore, it is the foreigners who own majority of the betting houses and make the money, which is repatriated in their home countries, thus affecting the local economy. The Uganda Revenue Authority also had hard time collecting taxes from the betting industry, as the current laws do not cover the whole gambling spectrum like online gambling across the country. And the tax collecting authority also lacks the required technology. However, the Ugandan Parliament has been urged to pass the Lottery and Gaming Bill 2013 to empower the National Lotteries Board with more statutory powers to regulate gambling and betting. I'm Jay Sentino, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, Jess Sentino, for that report. There's a revolution in natural hair care that is taking root in Nigeria. Natural hair activists and entrepreneurs are promoting ways for women to care for their hair amid this concern that beauty products like dyes and relaxers are actually dangerous. Black Women for Wellness is an NGO based in Los Angeles that compiled research showing that some chemicals may cause uterine fibroids in black women and girls. There are toxic ingredients in shampoos, hair dyes and relaxers, putting everyone at risk, including customers and hairdressers. The movement has also inspired initiatives to serve people who need natural hair alternatives, like Lumo Hair Salon in Abuja, which specializes in natural hair care. They use only natural products and never use heat on hair. Another initiative is Stress, an app for women with natural hair, created by 3 software entrepreneurs from Ghana and Nigeria. Stress helps women from around the world find hairstylists, as well as hair inspiration and the best products. Stress was launched in February in Nigeria and hopes to move to South Africa and Kenya, spreading the natural hair movement across the entire continent. That was the news of the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies-like, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.